Welcome to week 37 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 36 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 2% with a CAGR of negative 2%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 4% with a CAGR of 9%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 11% with a CAGR of 31%. And Parag Flexi Cap Fund is up 11% with a CAGR of 29%. My overall portfolio is up 3% with a CAGR of 5%. For perspective, Sensex itself is down 1% with a CAGR of negative 1% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. So, yes, my portfolio is quietly beating the market, and that's without timing it or chasing trends. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and kept the investment amount the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I invested 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because even in a volatile small cap space, it has managed to stay green with a solid CAGR, and it is also well diversified across high growth sectors. If this slow, consistent investing journey is helping you, smash that like button so YouTube shows it to more people like you. Drop a comment: which mutual fund should I consider next? Share this video with someone who is starting their investing journey. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss week 38. That's it for week 37 of Where Am I Investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This channel simply documents my personal investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a certified professional before investing.